The Merdeka Belajar Merdeka Campus policy resolved by the Ministry of Education and Culture has certainly received various responses from the country higher education providers. Positive responses generally come from universities that have been established in developing the Tridharma of higher education. They consider this new policy in line with internal campus policies that have been developed so far, so that it is easy to collaborate with new policies released by the Ministry of Education and Culture. On the other hand, negative responses generally come from small universities where this policy is considered to potentially kill them slowly due to the requirement for opening new study programs that are very burdensome, which is obligated to collaborate with study programs from well-known tertiary institutions to support the Tridharma performance of the study program that will be opened. The accreditation system, on the one hand, is quite burdensome related to the accreditation assessment measured by the number of students that should not decline from year to year, and there should be no negative reports from users regarding the performance of study programs and higher education institutions. Another policy that is considered burdensome is Merdeka Belajar for final semester students. The Merdeka Belajar policy package, which is obligated to give right to students voluntarily, can take SKS outside of college as much as 2 semesters, can take SKS on study programs that are different at the same university as much as 1 semester. In other words, the number of SKS that must be taken at the origin study program in 5 semesters, and the remaining 3 semesters are taken outside the study program. The Merdeka Belajar Merdeka Campus policy released by the Ministry of Education and Culture has certainly received various responses from the country higher education providers. Positive responses generally come from universities that have been established in developing the Tridharma of higher education. They consider this new policy in line with internal campus policies that have been developed so far, so that it is easy to collaborate with new policies released by the Ministry of Education and Culture. Student activities that can be carried out outside the original study program through the Merdeka Belajar program include internship or work practice, village project, teaching in school, student exchange, research, entrepreneurial activities, independent study or project, and project humanity. The Merdeka Belajar policy package for students, one of which can be implemented through students' exchange between higher education institutions. At the level of implementation, his policy will place students as strategic customers who want to find the best educational service to add knowledge, skill, and experience that they have not yet maximally accurate on their original study programs. It is hoped the students who have optimally participated in this program will have better abilities and strong character, so that they are experienced to have more experience and knowledge and be able to become more competitive graduates. Related to technical challenge as well as being an opportunity of the student exchange activity as one of the implemental of the freedom of learning policy which must be anticipated by institutions of higher education providers, among others, namely, first, increased cooperation between tertiary education for students who want to study across universities. Second, students who want to study outside the study program must have a plan that is in accordance with existing competencies and want to be benchmark for study program that can achieve it. Third, academic recruitment for students who wish to study outside their home campus, including cumulative grade point average or GPA, supporting academic and non-academic abilities, and through a rigorous international selection mechanism and a form of academic quality assurance of students who will take student exchange activity. 4. The most important recruitment for students study outside of their study program and or off campus should be to support their research plan at the end of the study, so that there is an obligation to collaborate on student research under the guidance of lecture between study program. Thus, the policy of Merdeka Belajar through students exchange activities on the one hand provides academic freedom for students to choose their study program objective, but still within the limits of clear standard and measurable with a variety of ideal requirements that must be met so as to avoid excessive academic freedom. In implementing the student exchange activity to realize the free learning program result by the Ministry of Education and Culture. In the macro level, implementation of the Merdeka Belajar policy through student exchange for the study need to be fully and optimally supported by building mutually beneficial cooperation between higher education institutions, which can be done through the development of the sister campus program, that is by cooperating with two campus tertiary institutions, is not merely done partially but must be comprehensively and optimally implemented. The opportunity to develop the sister campus program not only supports students exchange in realizing one of the Merdeka Belajar programs, but also exchange of lectures and education personnel as well as developing collaborative research and publication on an ongoing basis. Sister campus can offer the weakness of the learning process of an institution providing higher education through mutual cooperation in an effort to accelerate the transfer of knowledge and technology from various aspects and the Tridharma of higher education, especially for private universities affiliated with national level mass organizations such as Nahdlatul Ulama, which has a Ma'arif education institute already has higher education institutions spread throughout the Republic of Indonesia, so that the complication of sister campus will be very easy to carry out as a precondition before releasing the freedom of learning policy through the student exchange activity. For affiliated tertiary institutions, exploratory collaboration in it long enough to build mutual understanding and agreement, which must meet the elements of mutual benefit between providers of tertiary education through the sister campus program, where implementation must be sustainable. The Merdeka Belajar Policy Package, especially student exchange rolled out by the Ministry of Education and Culture, is a challenge as well as a profitable opportunity for tertiary education providers through cooperation that is a necessity. This strategy is certainly in order to produce graduates who are competitive and have more character, so that it becomes a solution for national development. In accordance with the vision of the Indonesian Ministry of Education and Culture, namely the formation of human and educational and cultural ecosystem that are characterized by mutual cooperation.